Welcome back to MD's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to rotate and save a video using VLC Media Player. Let's begin. Rotating and saving a video using your VLC Media Player is a useful feature when you need to adjust the orientation of your video files, because VLC allows you to rotate videos temporarily during playback and also offers a way to save the rotated video as a new file. Now, from here, I need you to open your VLC Media File Player. Now, once your video has been loaded, I need you to click on the Tools option and go to the Effects and Filters. Alright, but it has a shortcut, which is Ctrl+E. I'm up. Put in Ctrl+E button, and there you go, the adjustment and effects. Of course, we're not going to be dealing with the audio effects. Instead, we are selecting the video effects. Click on this tab, and from here down, there are multiple sections. We have the essential, which includes the image adjust, the cropping file, the colors if you want to adjust the gradients. Of course, we're going to the geometry. You have the interactive zoom. We're not going to deal with that, but instead click the transform button. You see, there's an option to rotate by 90 degrees, rotate by 180 degrees. You can also rotate by 270 degrees. You can flip horizontally, vertically, and of course transpose and anti-transpose. Now, if you wanted to manually rotate in a specific degrees, you might want to click on the rotate up button here. It's all up to you where do you want to adjust the settings, all right? If you wanted to have a customized angle, all you're going to do is hover and adjust the button here and the slider to your comfort level. Because rotating video to a standard orientation before sharing them on social media, video platforms, or friends and family, it ensures that the video have correct orientation for professional presentations, reports, or marketing materials. It's very crucial to make a quick and a simple rotational adjustments without needing a complex video editing tools. And once you're happy with that, alright, click on close and you would be able to make a quick and rotational adjustments without needing a complex and advanced feature, because VLC Media itself is a free open source tool that provides basic video editing features like rotation without additional costs. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.